for attending this part. I'm grateful to you to see a full room of people interested in what I have to say. Hopefully you learn from what I have to say, and if there will be nothing new, at least you'll hear from me how we see this whole field from Sberbank perspective. To explain my job at Sberbank, I look at technology innovation, and you can think at using the smartphone for payments both on the issuing side and the acquiring side as being a business model innovation driven by technology innovation. The time lag between when we first heard about these things until we see them deployed is years. Yeah? So if you think of innovation being first time I've ever heard, maybe 3 years ago, if you go all over Moscow, how many mobile point-of-sale terminals you'll see? Not too many. Yeah? So from the point of view of Sberbank, we look at this as an emerging trend. And I know there is no exact word in Russian for emerging. It's not really novaya. Yeah? It's something that's starting to happen. And it's a trend that we are trying to look at because it impacts all of you and impacts our, 100 million customers. So this is something that you all have seen. You all know the data is 1 year old, but doesn't matter. There are more and more phones. Yeah? I don't think there is anyone in this room who doesn't have one phone. Probably because we are in Moscow, you all have smartphones, and many of you may have 2 phones or 3 phones. Yeah? It's all over, yeah? And it's impacting everything. Yeah? Now, using a mobile phone for mobile banking, everybody has it. Yeah? And this is just an example from Sberbank. Most banks have it. Yeah? However, the use of this technology, of this a computer connected to the internet that's very small and you carry with you and you never forget at home, you always have it with you, is impacting financial services. And it's happening all over the world. A lot of companies, and my colleague from MasterCard mentioned some of them in the mobile point of sale, but they're all over. And you see names here from Asia, from even Africa, all over Europe, some of them in Russia, a lot of them in Silicon Valley. And everybody is trying to use this technology, new technology, the ubiquity of everybody having a phone, the easiness with which you can develop a new application, the fact that the card reader is, $3 if it's manufactured in China, and they're all manufactured in China, to change things. So how do we change them? On the issuing side, yeah, it's simple, it's clear, yeah. We all want to get rid of the leather wallet, yeah. Used to be, and in many places still is, a status symbol, yeah. It feels good, yeah, to take the wallet when you pay at the restaurant and to be like stuffed with cash, yeah. You are someone, you have arrived, yeah. But we want to move away from that, yeah. In the end, each card is a set of credentials, yeah. That would be like the technical term. Yeah? It's a number, it's a name, there is some information encrypted there. It can be in the chip. If it's older technology, it's in the mag stripe. Yeah? It's the number there. So it's a set of credentials. You have all of them there. Why can't we just copy them inside the phone? Yeah? That would be the easiest, like, conceptual view. But that's not enough.